Hi, boys and girls. Tonight for writing, I want you to work on something called how to writing. We've been practicing this at school, so you should be familiar with how to writing. I want you just to remember a few points about how to writing. And number one, I want you to think about something important tonight called transition words. These are words that kind of move your writing along, and I'm going to just make a list over here for you of transition words that you can use in your writing. They come in handy when you're, especially when you're telling somebody how to do something. They're words like first, second, next, last. So these are transition words that you would use when you're trying to explain or teach somebody how to do something. And so tonight when you do your writing homework, you're going to think of a topic and I want you to try to use these transition words. So what I want your paper to look like is you're going to give me a title. So let me just get down here. So I'm going to think of something that I know how to do. I'm going to say knitting because that's my favorite thing to do. So I'm going to teach you tonight the things that you might need if you wanted to knit. So I'm going to bold it, I'm going to underline it because it's my title. So knitting. I'm going to come down a few spaces. So I'm going to say, today I will teach you how to knit. Oops, I have a boo-boo here. So today I will teach you how to knit. There's my first sentence. I'm going to get rid of the bold and the underline. So remember, this is my introduction sentence. I'm not telling you anything about how to knit yet. I'm just letting you know what I'm going to teach you about today. So this is called your topic sentence, okay? So tonight when you write, I want you to write one topic sentence telling me what you're going to teach me how to do. Then you're going to use some transition words to tell me a couple steps. So first, you will need yarn and 2 knitting needles. Okay, so I want you to remember here how I used or notice how I used the transition word first. Okay, after first, I need to remember to put a comma because when we're reading this, we're going to take a little pause. So listen to me read. Today I will teach you how to knit. First, you will need yarn and 2 knitting needles. So do you see how I paused for a second after I said first? So you will always need to add commas after your transition words when you're writing. Okay? So there's my second sentence. Now I'm going to give you one more step. Next, comma, you will knit a scarf. Okay? So today I will teach you how to knit. First, you will need yarn and 2 knitting needles. Next, you will knit a scarf. So I have 3 sentences. That's what I want you to use for and that's what I want you to do for your homework tonight is I want you to write 3 sentences. So let's just review what I want to see on your homework paper. First, I want to see a title that is underlined. Then I want to see a topic sentence. Remember, the topic sentence doesn't teach me anything. It just tells me about what you're going to teach me. Then I'm going to see 2 more sentences that teach me. So 2 more sentences that teach me how to do something. I'm just going to highlight those in red. Okay? So a total of 3 sentences on your homework. Okay, so here's a sample of what your homework sheet looks like. So you have a line for your title, and then you have 4 additional lines for your 3 sentences that you're going to write. You might have to write a little small for those of you that write really big so that it'll fit on the line. Again, I want to see a title, I want to see a topic sentence, and then 2 more sentences teaching me how to do something cool. I cannot wait to see what you come up with. Remember, make sure you bring this sheet and your math sheet tomorrow to school and turn it into the basket in the morning. Thanks. Have a super duper night. I can't wait to see you tomorrow.